Welcome to the webinar of personalized video marketing. And so now using this, you can actually able to engage your audience like never before. Um, and I'm Santosh Tota, founder and CEO of Personalized.ai. So what is the personalized video marketing, first of all? So using the data and analytics of the particular viewer, you create the videos that are tailored for the target audience. So that when you present the video to the audience, it looks so personalized. It could be starting the video with their name or addressing by their surname or mentioning their company name or a plan that they have taken or the amount that they are due, so all those parameters you can add as part of the video to make it so personalized, right? So that's called personalized videos. And what are interactive videos? Allowing viewers to actively participate in the video experience to influence their outcomes. For example, you can have a options on top of the video so that you let the viewer click on those buttons so that you can make it as a two-way communication, because videos are actually a one-way communication. So using interactive videos, you can actually let the other side of the person can also interact and then make it as a two-way communication. So why to use this personalized video marketing? And especially as you can see, some of the statistics clearly shows that personalized videos can actually increase the open rates and by 50% and the CTR, the click-through rate, by 200%. So that's phenomenal numbers, right? Companies that leverage personalized videos messaging experience 34% lift in their conversion. So this is typically could be for any companies that typically use the personalized videos in their marketing or sales effort. They typically see the lift in conversions, and especially for B2B sales, companies found the increase in connection rate by 30% using personalized videos outreach. So that these are the numbers that actually should motivate you to get started with the personalized video marketing. And what are typical types of personalized video marketing content it could you could use? So whenever you have, especially obviously one is outreach. Whenever you're trying to reach your prospect, you could do personalized outreach. And then once they're in, so you can welcome them or onboard them with personalized videos, or you want to take them through a product journey, so product demo or product walkthrough. So you could actually give them a personalized product demos, asking them what is their industry, what is their use case, and the problem that they're trying to solve. And then you can actually show them the personalized demo. So that is another use case. And you can also send them greeting and messages upon special events, by on their birthdays, or they reached a certain milestone. You can send them a greeting message that, yes, congratulations, you done great in the last week, right? And then personal invitations, if you are doing some webinars or events, so you can send them invitations, reminders, personalized videos again. And most importantly, after the product usage, so when you want to ask their review, people typically send forms and all, but now using personalized videos, you can ask them personally and engage them and then get their feedback, in a matter of time. So that's where these are the places that you typically can think of using personalized videos across the different phases of the customer journey. And so, what are the tools that are available in the market? Tools and technology. So, we ourselves, personalized.ai. Typically, we are AI-based personalized video marketing, as well as the interactive video, creation platform as well, which we use it inbuilt in this personalized.ai. We'll explain that in detail in the coming slides. And there are other tools like Hagen, which is also personalized AI tools where typically I mean, these AI tools, we clone the voice of the person, the spokesperson, and then the lip movements, and then you can add some variables, and then the video gets generated automatically, right? So you can create one video and then you can personalize to many. That's the concept of personalized AI. Even Send Portion does the same. But these tools doesn't have an interactive video in build, so they just have one call to action button on top of the video. That's the end of the story. But if you want to have it as a conversation, not just direct pitch, then we have it personalized.ai, both personalized AI element as well as the interactive video. And Hippo Video is, in a sense, it does the personalization where typically on top of the videos or inside the video itself, you can show some personalized names, right? So, and then you can add their names as part of the video itself to make it look personalized. Those kind of, or images also. That's what they do typically. And video ask from type of form. So they majorly have a platform for creating interactive videos at scale, but they don't have a personalized element as such. So these are the typical tools that you can look around and start exploring to explore this personalized video marketing technology. So what personalized.ai exactly does, we help you in personalizing your voice, as in like we clone your voice and lip movements from your one video, and then you can actually upload a bunch of contacts, and then we can personalize to those contacts and create personalized and interactive videos at scale, right? So that's exactly what we do at personalized.ai. Just to give you a simple scenario, let's say you use personalized.ai and then you are trying to do a personalized email campaign. So what it looks like. So typically, any outreach emails, when you use tools like Active Campaign or Apollo, so you create an email and the sequence of emails, and typically you go with a text, and the kind of a personalization you can add is only the name or a company name and so on and so forth. But obviously the major challenges in email marketing is firstly the open rate and then the click through rate. So click through rate is the most important things in your email marketing tool, which decides the performance of your email marketing. So obviously, people face a lot of challenges in getting the higher CTR. So having a personalized, a GIF, a video thumbnail GIF would actually amplify your, click through rate by 300%. So if you could look at this, this email. So along with the email at the last, so we also added. This is actually a GIF, so you can't see it as a GIF because this doesn't support. But usually it plays, as in like the GIF plays, so that people tend to click on that video play icon. So immediately we take them to a landing page link where the entire video will be accessed. I mean, will be accessed, and then it'll start the interaction from there, right? So that's what this preview would look like. And the same thing, so as I mentioned, so every contact that you generate a personalized video, we also give you a personalized link, like as you can see in this particular LinkedIn is message. So you can use this the link, and we have actually came up with the Chrome extension also, where let's say you want to send a personalized message or video message to a particular person. So we actually you can go and create a campaign and generate the campaigns, contacts, and then generate the personalized videos for each of these contacts, and then you use our LinkedIn extension, and then if you go to any of those LinkedIn profile page, immediately the extension will give you a copy link where you can actually give a snippet message, and a personalized link for that particular contact gets copied automatically. So all you have to do is just click the send button. So it's a kind of semi-automated. Whereas the email, we already integrated with all the top popular marketing automation tools. So you just have to copy paste a piece of HTML code and you're good to go. So this text everything that you already set up in your email marketing tool. All you have to do is just add this kind of a HTML raw script by going there, and then you are good to go. And the most important thing is, if you could notice here, so this is a especially use case for B2B. So if you are already targeting another business which typically has a website, so each contact when you upload, you can also upload their website address, so that the personalized tool itself will create a scrollable video, so that when who are opening the email, they would tend to see, okay, your avatar appearing on their website, and then they tend to click on it, like what is he doing on my website. So they tend to click and open that video. So that's where it creates that attention, and then increase the CTR significantly, right? Same case here as well. In the LinkedIn also, you see a GIF that's get played, and then their website at the background gets scrolled automatically, and you don't need to worry about any generation part. So the takes care of everything, and the preview also is dynamic for every user on LinkedIn or email. And as I mentioned, so it does not end with one video. So we can show buttons on top of these videos, help them navigate, or help, you can typically arrange a sequence of videos which could engage them, educate them about your offerings, understand whether they have a pain points, and then qualify them. At the end, you if that is qualified within your video flow journey, then at the end you can ask them, directly show a calendar. We are integrated with a couple of calendars, and then you can show a calendar preview there, and then they can actually book an appointment there and that itself. So without any drop-offs on the video, everything will happen on inside the video itself. So that's where it boosts the meetings and conversions as well. So let me quickly jump onto a live demo where I'll just take few minutes, and then I will walk you through the product as well. The parts where, for example, so let me share my screen again. So if you can see my screen, so this is yeah, just put it here. Uh, yeah, so once you log into the platform, so you could see that there's you see a button called create uh, a campaign button, and then you could actually click on this video a campaign or audio campaign. Just give a name of the campaign here, and then you could actually so I'll create a simple app video for you, video campaign for you. For example, testing, and then you want to send it on email or WhatsApp. We support WhatsApp as well, and then pretty soon we support Instagram as well. And if it is in LinkedIn also, email is fine enough. So the same email campaign can work on LinkedIn as well. And then as a if you want only one a simple call to action on your first video itself, you can just add one calendar or a button directly here itself. And then especially for B2B, we also show, as I mentioned, so you want to add that background website scrolling video. So you can just enable this to create that. And you want to add a name on top of the GIF also, you can easily simply check boxes and then just click on the create. And once done, then your campaign gets created like this. And the very first step is you want to add a personalization. Personalization video, which typically is that one video that we're talking about, which has a particular, maybe a one name, and then you kind of replace, you help the systems to firstly understand key, which part of the video has, what. Uh, Portion of it. For example, this is my video that needs to be personalized. You can upload from your local machine or library that you can upload. And then first thing is you need to mention. So you can see the sample here on the right side. So it should contain three elements: the greeting word and the name and the any of the message that you want to have it with your audience. So you just have to first select what is this greeting word name, and then click on the set button, and then you just have to make sure that this is the critical step. So you need to mention that, okay, this is my hello part in this particular entire video. So you can just click on set button here. And then second is similarly you need to set what is your name video here, name inside the video. So for example, from here to here is my name, say, yeah. So one important thing here to note is that if you don't want any cuts between the video, you make sure that you give the start time of the second part will be the end time of the last part. So since greeting word has ended at 8:41, I will give the same time here so that it will not look any patchy. It should be of minimum 1 second. So I'll just make sure I'll also give it as 1.842. Okay. And next is the generic media, which is the rest of the the video. So all you have to do again the same thing. The last end time of the last part, which is the name part, should be the start time of this, and end time could be any of this as per your setting. That's it. So you just click on the create, and then it got created. And if you want the first time when you're coming in here, it'll show something like this where you can give a name of the person, and then the language that he has spoken in the video, and what's his age and gender, and what's his accent, if it is Indian or American, etc. And media, you don't need to upload anything. So previous step, whatever the video you uploaded, we will take that as a reference, and we'll try to clone the voice from that video, etc. So all you have to do is just click the clone button. So the voice gets cloned automatically. So well, I try to choose my previously cloned voice here. And now all you have to do is just add contacts for whom you want to generate the personalized videos. So you can add them manually, or you can choose from the list, or you can upload a CSV plan, in this format from local. So we have already created some lists. So let me just select that list, and sorry, uh, yeah. So here I just have to click on this and then save and proceed. Uh, okay. So now once it is added, then all you have to do is just check. So now in the generate step, you just generate some sample, and then you can test it. Once you're satisfied, you can just click on the generate all for the entire contacts that you uploaded. So say for example, you have one contact called Farida. You want to select this and then generate the sample. Immediately the sample gets generated here, and then you can wait for a few seconds. Once that is done, this status will get updated as with the preview and the link, etc. So once that is done, you click on the preview, it will open up something like this. So this is what I was talking about, the landing page interactive video. So where I was talking about the background scrolling video, and then the avatar video on top of it. So if this is how it starts, and you can actually this will come up and then ask them a question. So if they have yes, they have this. Then again, the next question comes, and then okay, what are the challenges in your outreach? And once I submit, and next question comes. So typically here I pitch about what's personalized data, how I can help them and convince them. Then if they are willing to explore, they can either click on sign up or view demo or maybe later. So this is where I am kind of qualifying them whether they have a problem, educating them about the solution, creating that interest. And since it's a face-to-face communication, so I'm also building the trust, inherently, and then letting them go to the next sales funnel, which is a sign up for us, right? So that's typically the journey it would be. And then to send this thing, I think we opened a WhatsApp campaign, but if it is essentially a email campaign, then what it shows typically is depending on your outreach tool, you can simply copy this HTML and then go to that email campaign tool and then edit the raw HTML code. And if it is you want to uh, independently send, so you would see something like this preview and the link and the copy thumbnail. So you want to send it from a Gmail, so you can just copy this thing and then paste it there. the preview would automatically come up, right? So, but if you wanted to send in bulk, then you could directly, go with this approach of copying HTML and then using this any of these marketing automation tools, right? So that's on the sending part. And to customize this panel, so we have a complete inbuilt, customized panel where you can edit the complete settings. How the look and feel of this particular panel would appear to the end user. And most importantly, the builder, where we have a complete interactive video panel, where you have two things. One is left side, you have all the rich data types that you can just drag and drop. Once it is added to the right side panel, then you can click on that to customize the options and so on and so forth, the settings, etc. Right? And so you can create any such branching flow. So if they click yes, you want to flow, ask them different questions. If they say no, and then make a different flow. You can create as much complex flows as you want, and just test it yourself before you go live. Once you test it and everything is live, everything you want to go live, just click on the go live so that all these changes will be applied in live. So tomorrow also in middle of your deployment, you want to do some changes and you test it and then you can go live, right? So that's how you can easily create personalized videos, and especially to track how the responses are. So you can also come here and then see what are these people are doing, and then how the interactions went on. So you can easily do this. At the same time, you could also see as a summary, which are the people who have, across all campaigns or specific campaigns, who has visited or who has interacted or shown interest, and then who are the total visitors or unique visitors. You can download this list as well, and similarly, we show the analytics also, how many of them visited, interested, and interacted. So interested is a little, uh, little important actually to kind of understand what is the interested. So any of these questions that you can actually, if you see at the last thing, is lead interested question. So if you mark this as true, then we track whenever someone answers these questions, we track that particular contact as interested, so that you can easily track back them in your analytics or so and so forth. At the same time, you can actually make a triggers also. So you want to get notified whenever someone visited or interested or interacted. Easily you can get notified. We are also integrating with the CRM tools, where you can directly push this lead, qualified lead, to your CRM automatically. And we are also coming with the Zapier integration as such. So yeah, I think yeah, pretty other things are pretty common, and then we have free trial as well, so you can go and try for free, and we'll give you up to 60 credits, and post that you can, based on your requirement, you could probably go with the plan that suits you. So typically, it's a credit-based system. So 400 credits means if it's a video campaign, 2 credits per video will be deducted. So 200 videos you can generate. Similarly, here 1,000 videos and 10,000 videos if it is an agency plan. So if you have any custom requirement, we can work on the enterprise plan. So that's what I thought of covering in the demo. And yes, so I think that's what I want to cover in this webinar of personalized video marketing. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something, and something to get you started. And then, as I since I given a complete demo of the platform as well of personalized.ai. So feel free to give it a try, and then write back to me personally as well at Santosh at personalized.ai, and happy to help you at any step of your journey. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.